Does YouTube need another bourbon moth? Or another John Malecki? I must be crazy. I just bought 5 pallets of return tools from Dollar General. Oh! Don't forget to buy your shop shades. I don't think so. I'm okay with the ones we got, but I don't think we need any more. And I don't think we need anybody else just emulating them, trying to build their viewership up. But I have 5 creators I'm going to share with you today. They're all smaller. You probably haven't heard of them yet, but you will. You're going to hear about them today, but even if you didn't hear about them here, eventually you're going to hear about them from the algorithm. So you might as well go ahead and get a jump start. Come check out these creators. Go check out their channels. You're probably going to want to subscribe. You can get it on the ground floor of some of these guys. Some of them aren't monetized yet. One of them may be a little bit bigger, but still they're on the small side getting themselves built up. So let's check them out. And again, I'm all about small creators. I've talked about this in a previous video. I like watching creators that have tools similar to what I have workspaces similar to me. You know, they don't have a 10,000 square foot shop that they rent somewhere and have a bunch of tools given to them to try out. They're just trying to have fun and enjoy woodworking or building or DIY or whatever. And they would like for people to come along with them. So let's check them out. The first builder I want to talk about is Blue Turtle Studios. I mean, anybody can build an epoxy river table, right? But who's going to build a banana table? And that's the kind of stuff that Blue Turtle specializes in. Just a little bit off the wall, turning ordinary objects into works of art, right? I think my favorite build of his is the drum set table he did. And again, that means a lot to me. You know, I'm a percussionist and my daughter's a percussionist, so we seem to have a lot of drums sitting around the house, and I've yet to turn them into anything cool like that, but I think the table is just a great idea. So go check out his channel. Again, all these channels, the link's in the description. Go check them out. The next channel I want to talk about is High5 Studios. And probably my favorite project of his, he did a comparison a while back, comparing different push sticks, you know, that he found on YouTube that you could build for yourself. Kind of talked about the functionality and the safety of each. Thought it was a very well done video. And the thing I love about all of his content is he seems to really blend in storytelling very good with all of his stuff. So there's always a story behind why he's building something or why he's doing it. Go check out his channel. Again, links in the description. So number 3 is Beyond the Oak Woodworking. So he's using faith-based craftsmanship. And what I mean by that, he's working and doing all the stuff he does using his skills to glorify God. And you know, I've mentioned him before in a video. I think I mentioned him when I was talking about my French cleat wall and how embarrassed I was when I look at mine. I watched the video of his when he built his French cleat wall, and I was just amazed by it. Even his shop furniture is done to perfection. It's stained, looks very nice. And then I look around my shop and I'm like, I'm the total opposite end of that. But he definitely gives me something to strive for. So go check out his channel. So number 4 is the Cadrome. This is a guy named Dave Fogler. He had worked with Adam Savage in the past. At ILM, I believe they work together. Now, he's not a tremendously small channel. I think he's got around 6,000 or 7,000 subscribers. He's still relatively small, but you know, he's definitely growing his base up quite a bit. And I mean, you know, you watch his channels, everything he does is cinematic. There's a lot of storytelling in every single video of his. And you know, he just does a really good job of making it feel like you're watching a film as you're watching one of his build videos. Now again, I don't think I would cut a hole in my dining room wall to run a train through to bring drinks into the dining room, but hey, he does, and you can watch it. It's a great series. I know he's up to about the 3rd or 4th video in that series now, and it's very well done. So go check out his channel. All right, a number 5. Well, I don't have a number 5. And I know I'm going to see it in the comments. Well, this is clickbait. You said there was 5 small creators we should check out. Well, that's where you come in. So for number 5, I would love for you to post in the comments. If you're a small creator, put your own channel in there. If you're not a small creator, what's your favorite small creator that you watch on YouTube? And then everybody else can check out your suggestions as well. All right, that's it. That's the 4 small creators that I follow right now on YouTube. So go check them out. Links in the description. I appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a great day.